Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. It's Ramon Scalera. As you can see, I got another buy order. I made my sell at 0.6490. As you can see here, I sold. This was all today. As you can see, I sold XRP, that many shares to get the BTC, which was 0.109. I then purchased YFII. I thought YFII was going up faster, so I bought it at 0.5520 and I sold it at 0.64900. As you can see, the order's been filled, so I made some money. You're probably asking, what did I make? Well, you take calculator. All right, I'm gonna make this smaller. It's gonna be on upper right hand corner. Let me bring it down. So you take the 0.2799, all right, and then you subtract that by the 0.10897. So 0.10897, and that will equate to your profit. So my profit was 0.01902. So how much is that? How much is 0.01902 in BTC? Oh, I said it wrong. Sorry. All right. 0.01902 worth in BTC. There we go. Am I doing it wrong? Come on. See, this is dollar. This is not dollar. We got to change that. All right. So 0.01902. I made $200. Close to $200. $198.21 is what I made just now. That was today only, and I did that in, again, if you look at the time frame, I sold, so I will put at the buy. So at today's date is right here, 9/12, which is 9/12. As you can see the clock. I purchased at 6:21 this morning. So 6:21 this morning is when I made the purchase. And I end up selling at 19:59, which is 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 7:59, almost 8 o'clock. So at almost 8 o'clock at night is when I sold. So all that within that time frame from 6 in the morning to 8 o'clock tonight, I made $200. But that's the strategy I'm trying to teach everyone in this game. So you're probably asking me, where are my bid orders? Since I made money, I got $200 extra now to my coin. What I'm going to do is I made a bid order at 0.54100 for YFII BTC. You're probably asking me, why am I bidding so low? If it reaches this price, that means I make my purchase. If it doesn't, I don't lose anything. I'm still in profit. I still have the $200 extra. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to, the way I came with this bid here, okay, so 0.54100, and let me show you where I'm going to sell it so you can see it. So if I buy here, I'm going to sell it back at 0.65 again. I'll probably go right there. That is a total amount of 20.74% of the money that I'm bidding. So it's a little over 1,300 something bucks is what I'm putting in. And if it goes at 0.65 again, I'm going to make 20.74% of that. Okay, so that's how you calculate how much money you want to make, where you bid. You're probably asking, why would you put a bid this low if it looks like it's going up? Like, it almost hit that low, but it didn't. Because if I look at the order book, this is the order book right here. And this is the sellers, these are the buyers. It might not go low. Now that I'm looking at it, there's a lot of bid orders here. But I'm going to wait. I'm going to be patient and wait. Why? Because if I look at my buy orders, there's not too much support at the very top. But if you scroll down, you start to see bigger numbers. This is 4 Bitcoin. This is 4.45. This is 11.69 Bitcoin. That's a lot. That's 21 shares of this. So I put my bid right in front of this one. So as you can see, that little yellow dot, that's where I put my bid. So this is where I'm going to buy. Because I think this is going to get all eaten up, possibly get eaten up. Maybe, maybe not. I'm going to be patient because this is too high. It's eventually going to come down. It has to come down. Now, I could have bid at 0.55242 right here because this is where it was low before. But I think it's going to get a little lower because this rose way too high, too fast. Let's go here. Let's go to YFII. Let me put this and change that. There we go. And then hit enter. This is YFII BTC. And as you can see here, again, if you follow this protocol, you hit buy, you would have bought here. Look at all this profit you would have gained, ladies and gentlemen. This is what I'm talking about. So again, this is where I'm putting my buy at 0.54. As you can see here, the trend is changing. See, it was from green. Now it's dark green, dark green, dark green. Now this is going to get lower, 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 and it's going to turn red. And then it's going to show up something like this. Okay, so this is where I want to catch that. I want to catch that right around here. This is the previous low. And I want to show you that right here. This is where I want to put my buy order, right around this range. Because it was here before, okay, after this huge rise. So bang, bang, and went hits high. And I believe it's going to go like this. And eventually, maybe not in this candle, maybe in the next couple of candles, but I think it's going to touch and go down and hit this area again. Because that's the previous low, okay? So that's where I'm putting my bid here, just so you guys know. And I will update you when this, if and when it does. If it doesn't, if it continues up, great. I'm still in profit, not a problem. And I wait for it to come back down again. But you got to have patience because this is way too high, too much, too fast. Okay, if you see what I'm saying, it hasn't, not in one time has it dropped tremendously. Because eventually the volume is what? It's going down. See, it went to the peak. I'm going to show you the pyramid peak here. So the volume went from here to here. And then it's going to go from here to here. You see? You can see that it's dying off. Now it's not continuing to rise. It's getting lower volume. And eventually, you see the green, green, green. It's going to turn green, 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 green. And then it's going to turn red again. Again, these are the indicators that I'm choosing. So again, this is where I'm putting my bid, right around 0.54. And then I'm going to wait for it to bounce up from this bottom. This will be the bottom, I believe, here. It could go lower. The next low that it possibly could go is here. Okay, so I could miss out and buy too high, and then it will shoot here again. And then I have to wait for it to come back. So I got to be careful and keep an eye on that. Other than that, that's quickly what I want to share with you. That's quickly what I wanted to share with you guys today. But just so you can see, proof is in the pudding. This system works. The way this stuff works. I follow so many indicators. I've been trading for a while. Look at this big sale that's coming. This is huge. This is bigger than the buy order that we're in front of down below. But if you follow this, if you would have bought here, I would have said, hey, again, I would have make a private group. I'm going to make a private group for those that donate to the YouTube channel, my YouTube channel. If you guys donate in any of those links below, let me know who you are. I will add you to I'm going to have live webinar sessions, absolutely free. If the donation, again, I don't care how much you donate if you want to. But again, my time is precious too. And I don't want to do it everything exactly all for free 100%. But I will make videos like this absolutely free. I'm not going to charge anybody. But I'm going to create like a Patreon or a private Telegram group where I would do live actual coin searches and live indications of where you should buy and sell. Again, like I said, this is not 100% gains all the time. We will lose, and sometimes we will lose. That's the way it works. So you're going to win and you're going to lose. But we're mostly going to win if we follow the indicators and we follow it according to plan. Okay, so I'm going to leave this like this and see if it hits our targets. Okay, you're going to be excited. Hopefully you'll be excited. Hopefully you'll see it. If it comes into fruition, excellent. If it doesn't, excellent. Let's move on to the next coin. Okay. Other than that, that's all I wanted to share you today. As you can see, made a quick $200 today, sitting at home on the weekends. And hopefully, if we could do this every day, that's $200 a day. Maybe not every day, but every other day, that's extra money in your pocket. Okay. Other than that, that's all I want to share today. Excuse me. Have yourselves a wonderful weekend. If this sell goes through, if this buy order goes through, I will post another video. If it doesn't, I'll post another video another time, speaking maybe on this coin or another coin, and we can go from there. Take care. Have yourselves a wonderful evening. Bye-bye.